Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today I'm going to share with you on how we can use Canva for educational purpose. So firstly, what you need to do is open Google Chrome and search canva.com. Okay. If you are using your smartphone, you may download it from the Play Store. Then click Canva. If you don't have any Canva account, just click sign up. You may choose either you want sign up with Google or Facebook account, but for the new user, I really suggest you to sign up with Google account to make sure your privacy life is secure. And if existing user, you may click log in and then choose log in with Google. Then click your account. So this page will appear after you have clicked log in with your Google account. You can explore by your own self, and for the new user you may create a design and click infographic. Okay, this is will be useful for teachers to present their teaching lessons. Okay, for the new user, just choose any template that you are very interested, and you can modify the template. Let's say we want to create a recipe. Just click this template and you may edit the font. If you want to upload the new picture, you can explore at the left side. This we have folders, background, videos, tags, elements, photos, and upload. Okay, so this is mine. I have finished my graphic design. Okay, it looks very small. We can zoom in at here. Click 75. Yeah, this is mine. Okay, if you want to share with your Facebook friends, just click this button and click share to Facebook page. It's up to you to share it with your Twitter friends or email, or you can also save in your Google Drive. Okay, if you want to download, just click download and you can print out. Okay. Okay, then you can explore more on yourself if you want your templates look more interesting and attractive. Okay, and lastly, if you want to log out, just click your Gmail picture and click sign out. Okay, that's all for Canva, and I want to wish Happy Eid Mubarak to all Muslims around the world. And don't forget to like and comments in the below section so that I can improve my video for the next video. Thank you.